Hello friends, how are you all? I am Priyal Agarwal and I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. So friends, today in this video, we are going to see how we can create this simple 3D model with the help of SolidWorks. So let's start. And friends, this is the drawing with the help of which we are going to create our 3D model. So for that, let's create a new file. For that, click on File, then click on New. And friends, here select Part because we are doing part modeling. Now friends, we will start creating a sketch on front plane. So select front plane and select sketch. Friends, first of all we will start by creating this geometry. You can see this hole, keyway. We will create all this. So let's start. So friends, first create a circle and its diameter is 50 mm. Now friends, create two lines from here, one line and one arc, and then another line like this. Now double click and friends from here select construction for construction because we want to create a center line for reference purpose like this. Friends, simply double click and from here unselect this font for construction and here create a inclined line like this and a horizontal line. And now friends create a inclined line. Now friends right click select. Now friends both these lines are symmetric about this center line. So simply give relation symmetry. And this point is lying on this center line. So give relation coincident. And now friends, these two lines are also symmetric about this center line. So give relation symmetric. And here friends, relation between this circle and this line is given as tangent. So give this relation tangent. And this point is lying on this circle like this. And this point on this circle. Hence length of this line is given as 26 mm. As distance of this line from the center point is given as 32 mm like this. And friends, distance between this center point and this center point is given as 44 mm and this radius is given as 28 mm, 14 mm and is okay friends, let's delete this dimension. Now friends, let's trim some entities. So simply select power trim and drag your mouse like this. Now friends, distance between this line and this line is 28 mm. And friends, here is a circle of radius 5. So give diameter 10. And now friends, let's create a circle here. Let's create this cavity. So for that, create a circle and friends see, its diameter is given as, see friends, 34.90 mm. And now friends, we want to create this keyway. So for that friends, create a center rectangle here or simply we can create it by selecting line also. So select line from create line from here like this and like this. Now right click select. These two lines are symmetric about this center line. So here friends, give lesson symmetric. And length of this line is given as 12 mm. And distance between this center point and this line is given as 22.39 mm. And now from here select trim entity and trim this area, this much portion, and simply click right. Now friends, our sketch is ready to extrude. So from features, click on extrude boss base, and friends here select end conditions mid plane and extrude length is 50, and simply click right. Now friends, we will create this geometry. So friends, for that select front plane and sketch. Now friends, create two circles like this. And friends, reason between this origin and the center point of these two circles is vertical. So and distance between these 2 points is given as 96 mm. Friends, diameter of this bigger circle is given as 65 mm, and diameter of this smaller circle is given as 41.25 mm. Friends. Now friends, we will extrude it. And here extrude length is given as 34 mm. Friends. And friends, here choose mid plane because we wanted to extrude both the side. See, is this going this side also and this side also. Now friends, we want to create this wall. See friends, this wall. So friends, for that, for reference purpose, create a plane. And friends, in the first reference, select top plane. And we want to create a plane at a distance of 96 mm from the top plane and in the opposite direction, like this. And now friends, select this plane and sketch. Here friends, we want to create a center rectangle, like this. And friends, here, this length is 45 mm and this length is 24 mm. Friends. Now friends, we want to extrude it. So simply click on the extrude box base and here friends select up to surface and select this surface. See. Now friends click OK. See friends. Now friends simply select this plane and height. Now friends select this sketch, second sketch and extrude cut. And friends here in selected contours, select this circle. And friends here select through all both and right. See friends. Now friends, we will create this feature. So friends, for that, we will create a plane. So friends, here in the first reference, select top plane and we want to create a plane at a distance of 69 mm from this top plane. And friends, now select this plane and sketch. And friends, here select create a circle and the circle is of diameter 44 mm. Friends, delete this. Now friends, this circle is of diameter 44 mm. See friends. Now friends, we will create extrude. So friends, simply click on features and then select extrude boss base. And now friends, here reverse it and give end condition up to surface and you're up to next. See friends, it has been created. Now friends, we want to create this hole and this radius is given as 22, its diameter is given as 22.205. So let's create this. First hide this plane and select this plane and sketch. And first here select circle and create a circle of diameter 22.20 mm. Now friends, from feature select extruded cut and here friends select up to next. See friends, it is coming up to this face. So simply click right. Now friends see, our hole has been created. Now friends, only this feature is left and also this hole is also left. So let's create these two things. So friends, first let's create this feature. So friends, for that we need a reference plane from our right plane. From right plane in the opposite direction. And friends, it is at a distance of 36 mm and right. Now friends, select this plane and sketch. Now friends, let's create two circles. And friends here, diameter of the bigger circle is given as 8 mm and diameter of a smaller circle is 10 mm. Difference. And now friends, from here select extrude boss base and in selected contours select this outer circle. And friends, from here select up to next and select click right. See friends. And now friends, we want to create a hole also. So friends, for that select the same sketch and from here select extruded cut. And friends, here to a smaller circle. See like this. And friends, here select up to next but in the opposite direction and simply click right. And now friends, let's create a hole at this side. So friends, for that select this plane and again sketch. Or friends, we can modify in the previous sketch also. Like simply click on this sketch and edit sketch. Here also friends, we can create a circle. This circle is also of diameter 10 mm and it is at a distance of 96 mm. And here friends, give reason vertical. See friends. Now friends, simply exit. Here friends, edit this extruded cut. And friends, here in selected contours, select this circle also and right. See friends, both the holes has been created and simply hide this plane now. So see friends, our 3D model has been created. So first let's see section view. So for seeing a section view, simply click on this icon of section view. And friends, from here you can select any plane about which you want to see your section. So here friends, I am selecting front plane and simply click right. See friends. Like that we can see section view about any plane. And now friends, it's time to give some material to it. So simply click here and from here let's give some material. Like this time I'm giving iron. So let's give sand blasted iron. See friends. And now friends, to our cut extrude, let's give some different material. Let's give tungsten to it. See friends. So friends, our part has been created. So friends, did you understand how to create a 3D model like this with the help of SolidWorks? And so friends, if you have understood it well, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep watching such kind of tutorial. And you can also share it with your friends so that they can also benefit it from these kind of tutorials. Thank you for watching my video.